Well, this is it. Copart Project Cavalier. It's a 2004 Cavalier. It's got front end damage. Other than that, so far, what I've walked around and seen, the rest of the body's pretty decent. It's got, dings and dents and whatnot. It is a 14-year-old car. But all in all, what I've been able to look at so far, it's got a series of door dings down this quarter panel. Been scuffed up on the side trim strip there, probably a garage door or something like that. This right here looks to be the worst of it. It does have a little crease in the hood right here, so I might be able to do something with that. But headlight assembly is in here. So far I haven't been able to tell for sure, but it doesn't appear like any major components are hit as of yet. So when I was putting it on getting it on the trailer, after they put it on the trailer, I looked underneath and didn't really see anything real bad under there either. So anyway, I'm gonna get inside, pop the hood, check the engine oil and stuff like that, and we'll take it from there. Updates will be coming.